4-bit binary number 0 1 0 1. For which what is the binary number 1 0 0. This is the XS3 code word answer, right? The given question is that we need to perform the BCD addition for the decimal number 43 plus 25. If you observe this, the question is in terms of the decimal number. The question is in terms of the decimal number, but what we have to do is we need to find the answer in terms of the, right? We need to find the answer in terms of the BCD number system, right? What is the BCD number for 43? Right, 43 means each digit in the decimal number can be represented by 4-bit binary code word, right? So what is the binary number for 4? 0 1 0 0. What is the binary number for 3? 4-bit number 0 0 1 1. So like that we need to write the binary number for 35. Then you need to perform the addition operation, right? So this is the result, this is the result. The first sum is, if you see that less than or equal to 9, no carry is generated, means it is valid. And the second sum also, it is less than or equal to 9, no carry generated, it is valid. Now what is the BCD? 78, right? So 7 means what is the value? We need to get 4-bit value 0 1 1. 8 means 1 0 0. So this is the answer. Here for the given question, we need to perform the BCD addition, right? What is the given decimal number? The given decimal number is, one is 8, another one is the 9. If you are performing this, what is the BCD answer for 17? 17 means 0 0 0 1, then 7 means 0 1 1. This should be our final answer as per the BCD representation. First step is we are converting this decimal number in terms of the 4-bit BCD number. Then we are going to find the addition operation. After finding the addition operation, see that this is not the equivalent of this result, right? Now what modification we have to do? See that what is the resultant sum? The resultant sum is something 0 0 0 1. Here sum is less than or equal to 9. Condition is perfectly okay. But here if it is carry generated, as per the BCD addition, what is the procedure? For the resultant sum, we need to add the 0 1 1 0 in order to skip out those unused state. So after performing this one 0 1 1 0, what is the answer we got? 1 7, right? So this is the final answer. You need to remember, sum less than or equal to 9, carry generated, what should be done? Sum less than or equal to 9, no carry, what should be done? Sum greater than 9, what should be done?